The 5 foods that I can't live without: chocolate for sure, cheese, bread. I love butter, and mangoes. I love mangoes. My favorite fruit. Pretty much what I just said. There'll always be butter, cheese, paneer. I love mushrooms. Mushroom हमेशा होते हैं. And pickle. बड़ा मुश्किल है एक डिश में, but I think I enjoyed the bread pakoda that we do here. Mushroom bread pakoda with onion jam, brilliant. माँ के हाथ का खाना is pure love. And one of the dishes that I absolutely adore is ajwain paranthi with chini wali dahi. As a chef, you have to, adorn different hats at different times, and I've been fortunate enough to keep changing those hats at some time or the other. But all in all, as my core, I'll always be known as a chef, somebody who enjoys working in the kitchen, you will find mostly on the counter. That's a joke for some other time, but it's very difficult. Being a chef, food avoid karo, you are always amongst good food. The good sight or the smell or the taste, it's very difficult. Self-discipline is the key, but it's very difficult to attain. I think that I can eat one dish, which is kulfi, over and over again. Like, I will have my meal and I'll crave for a good kulfi.